You've probably witnessed this scene before. At an airport lounge, one traveler quietly walks into a first-class cabin wearing simple clothes and carrying an old backpack. Nothing flashy, nothing designed to attract attention. Meanwhile, someone else nearby is constantly adjusting their luxury watch, making sure people notice the brand shining under the lights. The people who work hardest to look wealthy are often the ones under the most financial pressure. Real wealth rarely announces itself. It doesn't need to impress strangers or prove anything to the room. Today, many people confuse the appearance of success with actual financial security. Social media has made this confusion even stronger. Luxury cars, expensive watches, designer clothing, and flashy lifestyles create the illusion that someone is financially powerful. But true financial freedom is usually much quieter. In this video, we're going to explore 10 subtle signs that someone may already be financially set for life. These are not obvious signals like sports cars or mansions. Instead, they are behavioral patterns, habits, and ways of thinking about money that separate people who simply earn well from those who actually build lasting wealth. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Sign number 1, they prioritize net worth over attention. One of the first signs of genuine wealth is a surprising lack of interest in public approval. Financially secure individuals rarely feel the need to constantly showcase their success. Instead of chasing admiration, they focus on growing their net worth and strengthening their financial foundation. Many wealthy families live in comfortable homes and drive reliable cars, but their purchases are usually based on practicality rather than appearance. Their decisions are guided by long-term value, not by how impressive something looks online. In fact, some of the most financially successful people appear extremely ordinary at first glance. Their clothing may be simple, their lifestyle modest, and their daily routines surprisingly normal. But behind the scenes, they have built systems that generate steady income and growing assets. A property investor once explained this mindset perfectly when he said, "I would rather quietly build wealth than spend my life trying to look wealthy." That philosophy reflects a powerful truth. Flashy spending may attract attention, but ownership of real assets creates freedom. Ultimately, success isn't determined by the size of a paycheck or the admiration of others. It's determined by how much control someone has over their own time and financial choices. Sign number 2, they treat cars as tools, not status symbols. For many people, a car becomes a symbol of success. But financially disciplined individuals usually see vehicles very differently. To them, a car is simply transportation, a tool that serves a purpose rather than a display of status. Cars are one of the fastest depreciating purchases most people make. Within the first few years, many vehicles lose a large portion of their value. That means thousands of dollars disappearing simply because time passed. Because of this, financially thoughtful individuals tend to avoid tying too much money into vehicles. They choose cars that are reliable, efficient, and suitable for their needs rather than chasing luxury brands designed to impress others. It's entirely possible for someone driving an older sedan to have a far stronger financial position than someone driving a luxury SUV with large monthly payments. The difference lies in priorities. People who are building wealth focus on assets that grow in value rather than liabilities that slowly drain their financial resources. Sign number 3, they spend money to reclaim time. One of the biggest shifts that occurs as people build wealth is how they begin thinking about time. Instead of constantly trading hours for income, they gradually begin using money to regain control of their schedule. This might mean outsourcing tasks that consume time but provide little value. Cleaning services, lawn care, administrative help, or other routine responsibilities can free up hours that can be invested in higher value activities. Those reclaimed hours can then be used for business development, learning new skills, spending time with family, or simply maintaining personal well-being. Over time, this shift represents a deeper transition in how wealth works. Early in life, most people trade time for money. As financial stability grows, they begin trading money for time. Eventually, their money begins generating additional income through investments, allowing them to rely less on active labor. This progression is one of the clearest indicators of growing financial independence. Sign 4, they let results speak instead of talking about them. People who are truly financially secure rarely feel the urge to constantly talk about their achievements. Instead of broadcasting every success, they allow their results to quietly stand on their own. You'll often notice that individuals who have built real wealth tend to carry themselves with calm confidence. They don't feel the need to compete for attention in conversations or prove their financial position to others. Their focus is usually directed toward building a stable life rather than maintaining an image. Money, to them, is not a personality trait. It's simply a tool that helps them design the kind of life they want. Because of this mindset, they often appear humble and grounded even when their financial situation is extremely strong. When people tie their identity too closely to money, they often become trapped in constant comparison. But those who are genuinely secure rarely feel that pressure. Their attention is on purpose, relationships, and long-term stability rather than on proving anything to the outside world. Sign 5. They think carefully about small purchases but move quickly on opportunities. Another interesting habit among financially successful people is how they approach spending decisions. When it comes to everyday purchases or consumer items, they often take their time. They compare options, research quality, and think carefully before spending. However, when they encounter an opportunity that could create long-term value, their decision process becomes much faster. This might involve investing in a business idea, acquiring a productive asset, or gaining access to knowledge that could improve their financial position. When the potential return is clear, hesitation becomes less of an issue. The key difference is that they separate consumption from investment. Spending money on things that simply get used up is approached cautiously. Spending money on things that can generate future income or growth is approached strategically. Sign 6. They practice the power of waiting. In today's world, almost everything encourages instant decisions. Sales countdowns, limited time offers, and constant advertising are designed to push people into quick purchases. Financially disciplined individuals develop a simple but powerful habit. They pause before buying. Instead of reacting immediately, they give themselves time to evaluate whether the purchase truly adds value to their life. For smaller purchases, that pause might be a day or two. For larger decisions, it could be weeks or even months. This waiting period allows emotional excitement to fade and logical thinking to take over. Many impulsive purchases only feel necessary in the moment. But once the urgency disappears, the desire often fades as well. This ability to delay gratification may seem small, but over time it prevents thousands of unnecessary expenses and keeps financial goals on track. Sign 7. Their home supports their life instead of stressing their finances. Housing decisions reveal a lot about someone's financial mindset. Many people stretch their budget to purchase homes that look impressive from the outside, even if the cost creates years of financial pressure. However, individuals who prioritize long-term wealth often choose homes that fit comfortably within their financial plan. They understand that just because a bank approves a large mortgage doesn't mean it's the smartest decision. Instead of pushing their budget to the limit, they leave room for saving, investing, and building assets. A home should provide comfort, security, and stability. It should not become a constant source of stress. By keeping housing costs manageable, financially disciplined individuals create space for other opportunities that help grow their wealth over time. Sign 8. They learn financial systems that most people ignore. People who accumulate significant wealth rarely rely only on earning money. They also spend time learning how to protect and multiply what they already have. This means studying financial strategies that many people never take the time to understand. Topics like tax planning, investment structures, estate planning, and asset protection become part of their long-term thinking. At first, these subjects can sound complicated or intimidating, but once someone begins learning how financial systems actually work, they gain access to tools that make wealth easier to preserve and grow. Financial education is one of the most powerful assets a person can build. The knowledge compounds over time, just like investments do. Sign 9. They design their time instead of reacting to it. When someone reaches a certain level of financial stability, their relationship with time begins to change. Instead of constantly reacting to urgent tasks or external demands, they begin structuring their schedule around their priorities. Their calendar becomes intentional. Time is reserved for meaningful work, health, relationships, and personal growth. They become comfortable saying no to commitments that drain their energy or distract them from their goals. This sense of control over time is one of the clearest signs of financial independence. When money is no longer the main constraint, people gain the ability to design their days in a way that aligns with their values. Sign 10. They give without needing recognition. One of the most meaningful traits of financially secure individuals is generosity. However, their generosity is often quiet. Instead of seeking attention or recognition, they simply help where they can and move forward without expecting praise. Sometimes this generosity appears as financial donations. Other times it appears as mentorship, guidance, or support for people who are trying to improve their lives. They understand that money can do more than improve their personal lifestyle. It can also create opportunities for others. True generosity doesn't require applause or social media attention. It comes from the understanding that real wealth includes the ability to positively impact the lives of other people. At the end of the day, real wealth is not defined by luxury brands, expensive cars, or social media displays. It's defined by freedom. Freedom to choose how you spend your time. Freedom to make decisions without constant financial stress. Freedom to support the people and causes that matter most to you. Know in the comments what you have gained from this video so that we can improve and keep doing that better. Don't forget to share this video with at least one person who will get some insights, because one video is enough to give people enough ideas to change their lives. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.